This is Richard with Help Services, and we are at 3812 Northeast 141st Circle in Edmond. We are scoping the drain line in order to have footage of the root intrusion that has affected the drain line, if we have the ability to do that. We may or may not have clear footage, hopefully. It looks like the drain may be okay. A little bit of standing water in there at the clean out. Okay, and this is what I was seeing the last time. This may be on the city's side. I don't recall when I saw the footage last time, but looking at it now, clearly we can see there is a root intrusion beyond the tap into the main, and the tap itself does not have any sort of offset or anything like that, so it looks like the roots have gotten into the city's sewer and are what is catching the toilet paper and things like that for this customer. There do appear to be two bellies in the drain line that could be potentially slowing down the drainage of waste. However, as we can see, we're pulling back. We're looking. It looked like there was a lot more water in the drain line when we were pushing through it, but pulling back and seeing that it is not even covering my camera lens leads me to believe that while there is a little bit of standing water in the drain line, it does not appear to be sufficient enough to truly cause major issues with the drain line. All of that footage that we just reviewed has been marked where the drain line is located in the yard with green flags, and according to my camera, the depth of the drain leading down into the city side was roughly 12 feet from the ground level, which is about 2 feet higher at the back of the fence, but I would estimate that the city's sewer is likely at least 10, maybe 11 feet deep. This is Richard with Help Services, signing off.